Okay, this is my outdoor waste oil burner heater. The green tank with the red lid is the oil tank. It gets warmed up by the larger tube, which is the burner. There's the drip tube with the valve. Controlling the oil. This is a little maintenance window. With some gloves you can take the cover off of there. There is just it's like a bowl that the waste oil drips into and burns, and the little handle sticking out to the left. You can slide the bowl out later for cleaning. The heater stands on the 3 legs that go down to the ground, and the bowl slips right out from underneath of it for cleaning. You can see the flames. That's the air intake, that crack in between the bowl and the heater. Those are the 2 hoses. The lower one is intake. The upper one is going back to the heat exchanger. Right now for testing, it's in the garage. I've just got a piece of sheet metal with a brick laying on top as a damper. I've got the 12-inch pipe about dampened down about 50%. Burns pretty cleanly after it's heated up. It's not bad smoke at all. Just got some garden hose for the first 25 feet or whatever, and then switched over to PEX tubing. And the garage is a mess, but it's just a test. Here's the 2 PEX tubes coming in to an air conditioner that's been turned into a heat exchanger. The hot water comes in, and the tubing in the air conditioner has been, all it is 2 radiators, and there's a T, and the hot water splits and goes through the front and the back radiators. There's the pump laying on top, circulating it, and just an old furnace fan blowing air through it, because the window air conditioner was a 220 air conditioner and created too many hassles. I gotta get another air conditioner that's only 110, and I can make this all look a lot nicer. Put the pump inside the unit and just have 2 hoses coming to it. It'll be a clean, nice looking unit that way. There's a digital thermometer, the white electrical cord coming up to the digital readout, and it's blowing 114, 118, somewhere around there, temperature air. And it's been burning for about 1 hour. Now I could adjust the fire on the burner, the speed of the circulation of the water, and probably do plenty warmer than this too, but I'll tell you what, this is not the temperature of the water, it's the temperature of the air blowing right outside the radiator. So when you're blowing 115 degree air, it's pretty good. It's warming the garage right up.